Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries. Today we are going to look at the Excel feature, Flash Fill. This is a really useful feature if you need to organize a lot of data in a particular way. Here I have a list of authors and they are listed last name first. Now I want to separate that out to have the first names in one column and the last names in a second column. What I'm going to do is start with the first name and then press enter and begin typing the second name. Now if you notice, after just typing a few letters, it comes up with a list of the next authors in the column. To get that to automatically fill in, I can just press the down arrow on my keyboard, and I don't even have to type the names. I can do the same thing for my last name column, and it automatically fills in the last names. I can also use Flash Fill for addresses, and I can do that by typing in my names. And at this point, I want to find the Alt button on the keyboard and press that and my Enter button at the same time. And that lets me move to another space within the same cell. So I'll put my address in now. Alt and Enter again to move to another line. And now that I'm done with that, I'm going to find the Control button on my keyboard, press that and Enter at the same time, and then I'll press my Control button again, and I'll press Control and the letter E at the same time. And that automatically fills in the name and addresses for all of my information. I do recommend, as with anything, checking everything over to make sure it looks correct, but in this case, it looks fine. So I hope you find that helpful, and thank you for tuning in, and have a wonderful day, everyone.